Welcome back, everyone. So now that your iPad is all set up, we will have to go to Safari and visit the website my.playosmo.com. This is what the website looks like, and then you just have to simply click on create an account. Then you enter your name. I will enter mine and my own email address. So you guys make sure that you type in your own email address for this. And then you can create yourself your own password. Here are suggestions from your iPad, but you can also make your own. In my case, I will make one for myself that I can remember easier. Then you agree to the terms and conditions and you click on next. Then you will have to choose where you will be using Osmo. In this case, we're going to be doing it at school. Then you click on next and you have to answer the next question. So how did you hear about it? You just click what is right for you. In this case, we're just going to go with other. And then you will have to choose where you will use this Osmo to teach. So in this case, we're going to have to say after school program or classroom. Then it's going to ask you how many Osmo bases does your classroom currently own. And then you're just going to go with what's correct for you. We're going to go with 9+. And then you have to choose the grades that you teach, in this case, pre-K and kindergarten. And that's it. You're going to have a link that is being sent to your email address, so you will have to use that to activate your account. For that, we're going to go over to Gmail. And just log in. As you can see, there's the email from my Osmo, and you just have to click on the orange Activate My Account button. It's going to redirect you to the page, and we're all set. So now that you have your account at playosmo.com, you're going to have to download the apps. For this, you click on the App Store here, and then you click Allow if yours is asking you. Then down in the bottom right, you can see Search. There you just have to type in Osmo. A list of apps will pop up, and from this list you will need to choose Tangram, Words, Coding Obby, and if you scroll down a little bit, there is going to be Osmo Numbers Education. These are the 4 apps that you will need. Once the apps are downloaded, you can just click on Open and it will automatically direct you to the app itself. Obviously, you're just going to have to follow the instructions on screen. So we're going to go with Get Started for now. And then you have to create your account. So you use the one that you've did earlier on the website. So you create. And then you click on Next. Then you have to answer their questions. So how are you using Osmo in your classroom? And you just apply what is right for you. In our case, we're just going to go with other. Then you have to agree to their terms and conditions once again. And then you have to go back to your email address and get the code that they sent you. So if we're going to go back, we're going to have an email that gives us the code. In this case, it's 943312. So you go back and you enter 943312. And you can start. You can choose which products that you're going to use. In this case, you're going to have to go for the Genius Starter Kit. So that's the first one. After this, you see the apps that you've already installed and the ones that you can install, but that's not important for now. You just click on Done and you say Skip on the top right. And again, you can just go for no thanks, maybe later. You will have to enable your camera, so you just give permission to your iPad to access. And you click on yes. For this, you can just skip again. And then you can enter your own nickname or the one of your children. In this case, we're going to go with John. You can add their birthday. We're just going to skip for now. And you can even customize their own avatar. In this case, we're going to give him a little hat and make him green. Now that we have created our first profile, John, I'm going to show you how to create multiple profiles for all of your students. So you click on Create New, then you're going to have to solve a math problem to show that you're a grown-up. Once you're done with that, you can enter a new nickname. In this case, we're going to go with Jane, and we're going to customize her avatar. So you can choose a birthday if you want, if you know the birthday of your students, that is, and just set that. And then you can create their avatar. You can give them a new hairstyle. You can give them some headpieces. You can make their mouths different and their eyes. And when you're done, you just click on the little check, and then you have another profile. To change profiles, you click on the right top, and for this, we're going to show you one more way of putting a new profile. So we're going to solve the math problem again. This time, we're going to go with Max, who was born in 2012, or let's say 10, April 5th. And then we're going to give him again a different hairstyle, a different little mouth, and a headpiece. This way, you can create many individual avatars for all of your students. So every time you hand your iPad to a new student, you can choose their avatar, and that way their progress is going to be saved for the next time. So they can enjoy their learning, and the next time they log into their profile, it's all going to be there without interfering with the other students. And that's about all for today. You're all set and ready to play. We hope you enjoy Kinanco's coding program, and see you again next time.